Unraveling the mystery. Passive voice with would. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's video, we're going to dive into an interesting grammar topic. Passive voice with would. Don't worry, it might sound a bit complex, but we're going to unravel this topic step by step, with plenty of examples to make it easy to understand. To understand passive voice with would, let's first remind ourselves what the passive voice is. Usually, we use the active voice, where the subject performs the action. But in passive voice, the subject is acted upon. Now, when we use modals like would, we can create sentences that express hypothetical situations, politeness, or a future in the past. When we use would in the passive voice, the action is still happening to the subject, but in a conditional or hypothetical context. The structure usually goes like this: subject plus would plus be plus past participle. It might sound a bit tricky now, but don't worry. Let's dive into examples to see it in action. Now let's take a look at some examples. 1. Active. She would make the cake. Passive. The cake would be made by her. In the first sentence, she is the subject actively doing the action. But in the passive version, the cake becomes the subject and is the receiver of the action. Active. We would write the report. Passive. The report would be written by us. Here, again we see the shift from active to passive, with the report receiving the action. Remember, using the passive voice with would is particularly useful when the action itself is more important than who is performing it. Now it's your turn. Let's practice converting the following active voice sentences to passive voice. 1. He would sell the car. 2. They would finish the project. 3. She would read the book. Just remember the structure. Subject plus would plus be plus past participle. Try them out and we'll review the answers in our next video. And that wraps up our video on passive voice with would. I hope this has helped clarify this particular aspect of English grammar. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing these sentence structures and soon they'll become second nature. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy learning.